How to fix Facebook Lite notification not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Lite notification not working problem. So let's go to Facebook Lite, and you can see here 3 dots on the top right of your screen. Just click here and then scroll down. You can see here, where is the setting icon? You can see here settings. Go to settings and scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find here notification settings. Just click here and then you can select your option for the notification. I will go for comments. So if you want to push this, just do like this and it is on. So you can see as reminder all are on. So what you have to do is, if the notification option, these options are off, then you have to on every option here. Now what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. After searching this, if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Facebook Lite. After updating, what you have to do is go to your settings, scroll down, go to app management or install apps, and then search for Facebook Lite. Here is it. Click on Facebook Lite, and what you have to do is just stop the force here. Now you can see storage uses. Just click to storage uses and clear all the data here. Now go back, and then you can see here permission button. Just click to permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back, restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you have to reopen your application Facebook Lite. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.